You ask, Birth and Nature answered. One thing I love about this community is your questions. For that reason, I am launching a series called You Ask, Birth and Nature Answered. If you have any question regarding pregnancy, labor, birth, postnatal period, or even parenting, leave it at the comment section. Who knows, I would or be able to answer your questions in my next video. No question is small or silly. Just leave them at the comment section and I'll take you up from there. Thank you.